Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello all, welcome to PHN Technology Private Limited. In this session, we are going to learn about continue keyword. In previous session, we have learned about break keyword, right? And there we have given an example of bottles and box. I will continue that similar example over here also. So you can understand the difference between both the keywords also. Right? So now, what is continue keyword? Let's see that through this code, right? So this was the same code. This is the same code in which I have learned, which I have given you in the previous session, right? Here I want to change only conditions. Now in my example, what is the condition now? That there are juice bottle also. Means in previously there were water bottles only, right? So now the box is same, the limit of box is also same, but the only change is the juice bottles have included. Now the condition is such that every even number, every even places there is a juice bottle, means every alternate even place there is a juice bottle. Now what I want is, I want to bifurcate the juice bottle and the water bottle. I want to add a juice bottle in a separate box and a water bottle in a separate box. Okay. So here, how can I do that? Let's see in my code. Okay. So here, what will I do is just change the condition. What I have specified, every number there is a juice bottle. So here I will write I%2 is equal to 0, means whatever number is divisible by 2, that is a even number. We know this logic, right? So here that is what I have specified, and here I won't add out of space, I will add contains juice. And here I will give the continue keyword. Save. Right? Let's see the output over here. Okay. Now, firstly, let's run this code. See, it has given me enter the number of bottles. So let's say 10. Enter. See. Now what the output is giving me? Let's see. See. 0 is what? 0 is also an even number. Right. So therefore, the moment it is coming 0, I is equal to 0, it is giving me contains juice, and then it is starting again the loop. Means 1 and 2. Now again 2 is my even number, so it is giving me again contains juice, and it is continuing it till 10th bottle. Now see what is happening here. Here are my water bottles and here are my juice bottles, and now these are separated because of this. And individually 5 bottles of juices are going there, and then 5 bottles of water bottles are going here in this box. So now I have 2 boxes of the bottles, but the bottles which contain juice and the bottles which contains water are now completely separated. And this is how my continue keyword works. Now through this code, what you have understand, what this continue keyword did. It did nothing but it separated the values, means the moment the condition is satisfying over there, means the moment the number is getting even number, it is giving me contains juice. It is printing that statement, but after the moment the compiler is reading the continue keyword, the loop isn't getting terminated like the break keyword. The loop is starting from again, from the beginning, right? Means, let's say here I have got 2. Now I know that 2 is my even number. So what it will do, it will go inside the if loop, and here inside the if loop what I have written contains juice, right? And the moment it printed it, then it will go to continue keyword, and the moment the continue keyword is read, it will again start from the for loop. And similarly it will complete each and every loop. Means if I have given 10 elements over there, then it will run to till the 10th element, right? But it won't get terminated like in break keyword. In break, what was happening? The moment the break keyword was reading itself, it was terminating the loop. It was directly terminating. There it wasn't saying that how many elements I have given, how many times the loop should run. The moment the condition was satisfying, it wasn't caring for anything and it was directly ending the loop. But here in continue, what is happening? It is satisfying the condition for sure, but it isn't terminating the loop. It is starting from the beginning, means it is continuing the loop till the elements is fulfilled, till the number of elements which I have specified over there, right? So this is the basic difference between your break keyword and your continue keyword. Now where can you use this continue keyword? Now let's say I have a student database, right? Like 100 database, like 100 of students. Now I want to read each and every marks of the each and every students, right? But here I want a condition such as that the students who have got 95 marks, I will add a complement over there. Means I want to print their good. 95 marks are good marks, right? So I want to complement that particular student. And I know that here in 100 students, there are at least 20 students who have scored 95 marks. So these 20 students should get good as a complement. So here what will I do? I will write a condition that if marks is equal to 95, then printf good and then continue, right? So let's say here in 100 number of students, let's say first the 9th number student has got 95 marks. So what here it will get? It will get a complement because of continue, because of that continue keyword, the condition is satisfying. But because I am having the continue keyword over there, the loop will again begin. It won't terminate. It will read the 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th and so on, each and every student. It won't terminate the loop, right? So this is where you can use, and this is how you can use a continue keyword, right? So this was all about your today's session. We have learned about everything about your break keyword and your continue keyword in the simultaneous lecture, 2 lectures, right? So for now, goodbye and thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.